Hello and welcome back, my dear children. In this video, let us discuss a theorem on square. We had discussed the properties of square in the previous video, which I had shared with you in your 8th standard class. The same video I had shared with you. Today we will do the theorem related to square, that is, diagonals of a square are congruent. What is a square? A quadrilateral whose all sides are congruent and angles are of equal measure, 90 degree. So, all sides you have to mark congruent and show all angles as 90 degree. Then only you can call it as a square. Definition of a square is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are of equal measure and all angles are of equal measure. Sides and angles. What was rectangle? A quadrilateral in which all the angles are right angle is a rectangle. Okay, so both are different definitions. Here you are talking about sides as well as angles. So we had learnt the properties of square. Today we will prove that property in the form of a theorem. Which property are we going to prove? Diagonals of a square are congruent. Okay, so I have drawn a square RSTU. We will show the diagonals. Diagonal RT, diagonal RT and diagonal SU. Okay, yeah. Diagonals of a square are congruent. We have to prove this. So let's write given quadrilateral RSTU is a square. So we already know that this is a square. To prove diagonals of a square are congruent, we know that this is a square. We want to prove that diagonals are congruent. Okay. So what is the name of the diagonals here? Diagonal RT. Diagonal RT congruent to diagonal SU. Second diagonal is SU. Okay. So let's crack the proof. Like we used in the previous theorem, we will select two triangles which contains RT and SU. RT आता वाला एक triangle है RST. In triangle RST and triangle UTC. Okay, RST and UTC. Oh, sorry, UTS. In triangle RST and UTS. In triangle RST and triangle UTS. Okay, so you just frame the steps in your mind. We need 3 things to prove the triangles congruent. Then we will meet. Okay, so pause the video and frame your steps and check from me. Hope you got your steps already. Yeah, so let's start. In this triangle RST and triangle UTS, what I thought first of writing is angle RST congruent to angle UTS. Why? Each measures 90 degree. Okay, because both the angles are angles of a square, no? Fine, no? And all the angles of a square are right angle. So RST and UTS both are congruent, each measure 90 degree. Then next, what came to my mind for this triangle RST and triangle UTS is that you have a common side ST. Okay, so I'll like to write this next. You can write the step which came to your mind. Common side, reason I wrote first. Side ST congruent to side ST. Okay, here we will write the reason neatly. Common side. So 2 things we got. The third thing, yes, all the sides of a square are congruent. So we can bindas write Side RS congruent to side UT because all sides are congruent. So obviously RS and UT should be congruent. Okay, so very easily we got all the steps. Side RS congruent to side UT. What will you write? All sides of a square are congruent. This property you have to write. All sides of a square are congruent. Okay, so we got 3 points to prove that this triangle RST is congruent to UTS. Again, this is congruent by, we can't take hypotenuse side test because we had not considered hypotenuse at all. We want to prove that RT is congruent to US. So which is the test? S, A and common side wala S. SAS test. Same like rectangle. So therefore triangle RST congruent to triangle UTS by SAS test of congruence. Okay. So one out of this will surely come for your exam. I'm going to put one out of this square or rectangle. Okay. So you will write finally therefore दोनों sides दोनों triangles congruent हुआ मतलब side RT is congruent to side US. So therefore side RT congruent to side US. Here I am writing the reason CSCT. So if both the sides are congruent, these two sides RS and US are the diagonals of square. So finally you will write diagonal RT congruent to diagonal US. Reason we had written hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Fine. So such an easy theorem. It will come one out of the square or rectangle will come for your exam for sure. Write the theorem in your book and prove it on your own. In the next class, we will start with the practice set 5.3. The other theorems are cancelled for this year. That is, diagonals of square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect opposite angles. Only those properties you keep in mind and learn it, which I have uploaded for you for 8th standard as well as I have shared for you people also. Go through those properties and we will meet with practice at 5.3 in the next class. Till then, if you understood both the theorems, if you felt it very easy, please click the like button and you can share it with your friends also, those who are in need. And we will meet with the practice at 5.3 in the next class. Take care. Bye.